covers up here that's got to be removed from the top and the bottom. So let's get right to it. Now, good to use a pair of pliers or something. Better, but that's cool. We got that done. We're gonna loosen that off, and what we're gonna do is remove this front cover shield right here. Now it looks like they'll put one over here. You can just pop that right off of the put this alternator back, slide this alternator back on. All right, let's get in there. Gotta unbolt it from right here. All right, let's get those. We'll be right back. All right. I can't believe this. They got this thing. Is the man. All right.
Excuse me.
What?